A relief center gives blankets to 20 families. The total number of blankets is odd. Remember that word. The first 7 families each get an odd number. The next 4 families each get an even number. Here is the question. At most, how many of the other families can get an odd number? Pause the video here. This one hides a trick. See if you can find it before I do. Here is a clue. An odd total is telling you something about counting, not about amounts. Be the detective. First, what is the objective? We want the most other families with an odd number. Second, what constraint binds? The total must stay odd. Hold on to that. Now find the other group. 20 minus 7 minus 4 equals 9 other families. Here is the hidden rule. An odd total means the count of odd givers must itself be odd. 7 families already give an odd number, and 7 is odd. So the others must add an even count to keep the whole thing odd. So we want the greatest even number that is 9 or less. That is 8. This is a new lever. I call it the structural cap. A parity rule secretly caps the count. Now a second case, with a different lever. One kit needs 4 of item A and 3 of item B. On the table, there are 22A and 16B. A delivery brings 14 more A and 11 more B. After it, the volunteers pack exactly 4 more kits, with nothing left over. The question is, before the delivery, what is the greatest number of complete kits? Notice the catch. You are handed the after state, so work backward. This is working backwards. Reverse the operations. 4 extra kits need 4 times 4A and 3 times 4B. Subtract what the delivery brought. 4 times 4 minus 14 leaves 2A. 3 times 4 minus 11 leaves 1B. Now you know the table inventory, so it is just L0's bottleneck rule. 22 divided by 4 floors to 5. 16 divided by 3 floors to 5. The smaller one wins. 5 kits. So how do you know which lever to pull? Do not grab a rule. Diagnose first. Bottleneck. When you build complete bundles from several supplies, take the smallest floor. Roundup. When nothing can be wasted, seal to a hole. Test the boundary. When many limits press at once, push to a corner. And the new one, structural cap. When an odd or parity rule secretly caps a count. This is the optimization detective rule. If a problem is an optimization, but no single rule closes it, diagnose first, then chain the matching moves. Look for an optimization whose first move is not obvious or that needs 2 ideas joined together. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.